Learn piano with Cecilia or a detailed, continuous, and systematic instruction. We will start the lesson with the chromatic scale, ascending and later descending. First, we will play the C with 1 and 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. One more time. Little faster. E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. Little faster. Okay, really fast. I want you to practice like that so you can play this speed. Okay? So, let's try left hand. Play slowly. D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. Little faster. Faster. Really fast. Okay, when you play this, you don't look at the note. You don't need to. You just go just from the bottom to top. You aim for the last one. You just go through with it. Okay? All right. So play a little slower, both in together. Okay, a little faster. Faster. Okay, let's do descending. Okay, go C, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C. Left hand, C, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C. A little bit faster. Faster. Really fast. Okay, when you go down, you don't move in and out your hand like that. You don't do that. You just have to have one line of your hand position. So you go dee ra 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 ra. Okay, so ra 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 ra. Not doing like this. This will cause lots of unevenness and slow the scale. We will do the standing in the need of prayer. It is more as a review what we have done. Tonic, dominant seventh, and subdominant. Go through the left hand part or the chord. So don't worry about the rest sign. You just touch the chord. And this tonic, dominant seventh, okay? That is dominant, G on the top. That flipped up from the bottom, G, B, D, F. G is the fifth note from C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 seventh, which is called dominant seventh or 5 seventh, okay? Then tonic again, dominant seventh again, tonic, dominant seventh, tonic. Here is a new one, subdominant, okay? That's F, A, C. F is fourth note of C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4, which is subdominant. And tonic. And tonic, 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 dominant 7th, tonic, tonic, dominant 7th, tonic, tonic, dominant 7th, tonic, subdominant, tonic. Okay. I suggest you to do lesson by lesson by the number. Don't jump in, don't go back and forth like that unless you need a review. Because this lesson is going by progressively one after another. So if you just jump in, then you will have some difficulty to understand what I'm trying to teach. So, if possible, do by the number, all right? It's easier for you. That's the way it should be. Okay, now let's try left hand one more time. This time we will count rest sign and the rhythm. Off, 2, 3, off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, off, repeat, 1, 2, 3, off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, off, tonic, 1, 2, dominant 7, 4, subdominant tonic, 4, 1, off, 1, off, 1, 2, 3, 4, again, 1, 2, dominant 7, then 1, 2, 3, then you have to go back here. Let's try second ending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. All right, let's try right hand part. This is incomplete measure because you have only one count in 4/4 time signature. So 3 counts are missing, so it is called incomplete measure. Okay, 3 counts are found at the last. Let's play through right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are 8 notes. Each has a half count, 1 and 2 and. So a little bit faster than quarter note. Quarter note has itself of down and up, down and up. But 8 note, each 8 note has a down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's try one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Second ending. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you have D sharp here. You have another 3 Ds in same measure, but you don't have sharps for that, for those following Ds. You don't need to because it's in the same measure. These apply to rest of them. So you try one more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. capo all fine. You go from here to fine. Okay, let's skip that. All right, let's try from the beginning one more time. Look at the notes very carefully and follow it through. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Second ending. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1. Repeat. 3. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Off. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After you finish it, after here, there is a da capo all fine, which means you go back from here to here. When you do that, you don't do full standing, go back and play this in second ending. You just go through up to here, directly go to the second ending. Okay, let's put them together from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Second ending. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1. Repeat. 3. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Second ending. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Da capo all fine. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Second ending. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Off. One advice I like to give to play this song is all left-hand chord has to be very light and detached each other. Don't play too chunky, heavy. I would rather play softly and gently, lightly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Put this beautiful song in your treasure box. Your treasure box is getting full. I think you have to get another bigger one. We will do more and more all these beautiful songs, so you will be delighted to see your treasure box is getting full. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.